Hello everyone, my name is Alejandra Quiroga Velasco. This activity is for the English phonetic class. Today we are going to talk about vowels and diphthong sounds. Let's start. Okay, long vowel sounds are E. You can see this sound in the words see, me, and free. This is the phonetic transcription for this word. This sound is oo. For example, in the word food. This sound is ah. For example, in the word heart. This sound is ah. For example, in the word car. And this sound is o. For example, in the word four. The other are vowel sound, only vowel sound. This sound is eh. For example, in the word head. This sound is for example, in the word hop. This sound is ah. For example, in the word cap. This sound is ah. For example, in the word cat. This sound is eh. For example, in the word maker. This sound is oo. For example, in the word goose. And the last sound is e. For example, in the word sit. These are the short sounds. And the next sound are diphthongs. For example, a. This example we can see in the word pay. The other example is I. For example, in the word five. The next is o. For example, in the word home. This sound is ow. For example, in the word now. This sound is oe. For example, in the word join. This sound is ia. For example, in the word near. And the last sound is ea. For example, in the word hair. Okay, that's all for today. And this is the bibliography for this activity proposed for the tutor. And thank you so much for your attention. See you later.